Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the save location in LocalSend step by step. If you want received files to be saved in a different folder instead of the default location, LocalSend lets you customize where those files are stored. So let's get started. First, open the LocalSend app on the device where you receive files. Once the application opens, click or tap the Settings option to access the app's preferences. Yeah, the exact layout may vary slightly depending on your operating system, but the settings are easy to find. Next, look for a section related to downloads, receive, or save location. Find the option that lets you choose where incoming files are stored. Click or tap Browse or Change, then select the folder you'd like to use for future transfers. After choosing the new folder, confirm your selection and save the changes if required. Some versions of LocalSend save your preferences automatically, while others may ask you to confirm before closing the settings window. To make sure everything is working correctly, send a small test file from another device. Once the transfer is complete, open the folder you selected and confirm that the file was saved in the new location instead of the previous default folder. If you ever want to use a different folder again, simply return to the same settings page and repeat the process. Choosing an organized save location can make it much easier to manage your received files over time, and that's it. You now know how to change the save location in LocalSend and control where your incoming files are stored. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.